To create an account on Procore, go to your email and find the email that has Welcome to Procore in the subject line. When you open the email, click Get Started to create an account. After you click Get Started, Procore will open up and ask you to create a password. Once you create a password, you will be asked to log into the account that you just created. After you log in, an intro video will pop up and start playing. When you finish watching the video, click Get Started. Procore will ask you a series of questions about your company and your position within that company. After you answer the series of questions, a window will pop up with a link to a support page. You can find resources on that page to help you better understand how to use Procore. The first screen you will see in Procore after you finish setting up your account is Portfolio. Portfolio is the homepage that shows all of the projects that you have been added to. When you click on a project, it will bring you to a page that shows an overview of that project. On that page, you can see who's in the project team, a project overview, my open items, recently changed items, today's schedule, and project milestones. At the top of the page, you can see a tab that says Project Tools. You click on it, it shows a drop-down list that has all of these tools that you can use for the project. All subcontractors should upload photos of their daily progress. I recommend going to the App Store and downloading the mobile Procore app. When you open the mobile app, it will take you to the home page of your project. On the home page, scroll down until you find Photos. In Photos, you will see an orange plus sign in the top right corner. When you click on that orange plus sign, you can either take photos in the app or choose to upload photos from your library. When uploading photos from either your camera or your library, they will both take you to this upload screen. You will want to put the photos that you took into an album, so if these photos were taken in room 2, you will want to put them in the album named room 2. You will then select what trade you are and click Upload Photos. The photos sometimes take a couple minutes to fully upload, leaving the app open for a couple minutes to give the photos time to upload. You can also upload photos from the Procore web application. To upload photos from the web, make sure that you're in the correct project. Select Project Tools at the top of the screen. Select Photos. To upload photos, you will go to Upload in the top right corner. You can attach files or drag and drop files. And then you will want to put them in the correct album and select your trade. And then click Upload Photos. Another tool that subcontractors should be using is the Daily Log tool in the mobile app. From the project home screen, scroll down to Daily Log. You can add information about the manpower and total hours worked each day. To add a manpower entry, click the orange plus sign at the top right corner. Select your company. Add your number of workers and the total hours worked, and then click Save. There are other tools that you can also use in Procore. You can review the project schedule and keep up to date on any schedule changes that may occur and the date that you were scheduled to start work. If there is a punch list item that we need to assign you, we can assign it in Procore and communicate directly through that punch list task. If you need to look at a drawing, you have the option to do so in Procore on the web application or in the mobile app. When you select drawings, all drawings for the project will show up here, and then you can select the number to open the drawing. We would like everyone to utilize all of these tools on Procore to streamline each and every project. If you need help on Procore, you can go to the question mark at the top right corner, and you will find a support center, quick how-to training videos, or you can contact support. You can also contact the Fort and Home Developments team and we can help you.